moved a muscle.
Waves in the sky,
Birds flying high,
Waiting.
colors so strong,
Opportunity.
catch
Right.
my eye. Jump in a song,
song,
a sweet melody flying so free, just like you and me.
feathers so soft, fly through the air, birds of all fly,
They're everywhere, nesting in trees, building their
home
home,
in
singing their
still,
wherever they roam. Fly high, little bird up in the sky. Spread your wings, it's your time, shine, shine. Fly high, little bird, show us the way.
2 inches long. The longest of any snakes. With massive venom glands. They will inject 600 milligrams of venom in one bite. Only 35 will kill a human. Their venom is a fast-acting complex array of toxins. Some clot the blood, causing organ failure. Others attack the nervous system, the muscular tissue, and the heart. Enough to kill you in 2 hours.
feathers so soft, fly through the air, birds full flight,
They're
everywhere, the cemetery, building their home,
singing their
still,
wherever they
But
want.
bites on humans
Seen
are
off
rare,
to find
because baboon falcons occupy some of the most remote
a ball
and
and still
uninhabited
it's
forests in
not
Africa.
falling apart. Sing
They're
off
rarely seen.
forever
And
to
fatal bites on humans in the wild
forever.
remain
singing
rare.
that too.
Wherever they want to.
They do.
Seen off to find you. Before us the fire. A ball and still it's not falling apart. Sing off forever to forever. Singing that
Still,
Without anti-venom and emergency medical treatment, death is certain.
singing that
still.
So how do they score? One bite injects massive volumes of venom.
singing that
Still.
Theirs is less potent than
Bye-bye,
many
bird.
other vipers.
Thinks I've
Aggressive?
the example.
No. They're unusual.